In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to quickly place your text exactly where you want it on any photo or video, so your captions, titles, or labels look clean and professional. Start by importing a photo or a video into CapCut so you have something to work with. Add it to your timeline, and once it's sitting there, you're ready to add text. Keeping things simple is the key here. We're focusing on clear, reliable placement without getting distracted by styling or effects. Tap the text option to open the text tool. CapCut will prepare a text box for you. If you don't see the text controls right away, make sure the clip on your timeline is highlighted so CapCut knows exactly where to put the text. That simple check prevents your text from landing on the wrong layer or outside the intended clip. Type any text you want in the box. Keep it short and clear so it stays easy to read over your footage. You can stick with the default style for now. The goal is to position the text correctly before worrying about fonts and colors. As you type, watch how it fits on your image or video. Longer lines will often auto-shrink to fit, which can make them harder to read. Shorter phrases tend to look more balanced and are easier to align precisely. Now drag the text box to align it. Press and hold the text box in the preview and move it around the screen. As you drag, look for the subtle guidelines that appear. These are your snapping guides, and they help you align your text to the center horizontally, vertically, or both. If you want a centered title, slide toward the middle until those guides appear, then release. For corner placement, move the text toward an edge and leave a bit of breathing room from the border so it doesn't feel cramped. If you're aiming for a lower third look, place the text just above the bottom edge where it's readable without touching the margin. Take a moment to check your alignment against what's happening in the background. Avoid busy areas, strong highlights, or faces that compete with the text. If something feels off balance, nudge the text slightly until it sits comfortably and looks intentional. Tiny adjustments make a big difference. That's it. Import a photo or video, tap the clip, tap text, type your text, then drag the text to align it where you want. With these basics, you can consistently position text in CapCut with confidence. Thanks for watching and have fun polishing your edits.